What's up? What's up? This is Cody from Hitch to Hitch. Up in our loft working on the AC units. So we have basically a new camper. It's only a few months old, and I decided to work on the AC units, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a video about it after I'm already halfway through. But this is the easiest way that I've found to try to get you some cooler air inside the camper and to help prevent basically leakage. So I'm going to show you what I did to this one air conditioning unit. I don't know how well the video is going to come out on this one, but I have one that I haven't done anything to yet, and I'm going to show you that one as well, before and after. But this will just be a quick video of something you can do that will prevent you from sucking in hot air out of, we'll call it the attic, but between your roof itself and the actual inside roof. So you have a gap at least 3 to 4 inches thick, and you got all your wires running through there and everything, and I'll show you some of those holes. Alright, so here inside the AC unit I got the covers off, but you see that hole right there? So let's see. Right there. So we have to cover that up. I already covered up the one on this side. So I covered that one up, and then here's your vents. Let's see if I can get. So that goes into the air vents that feed through the actual camper. So there's one on both sides, and then there's your fan up top. So how it works is, let's see if I can get a little further back. So this side is your intake. So this sucks air up through your filter, goes up into the top of the AC unit, cools your air down, and then it blows it down out of this side. So you got your vent, you can either slide open to where it dumps directly down, or it goes into your vents that feed through the roof of your camper. So that's the vent. So what I did, because we keep this one closed, is I just basically made it to where it funnels straight down into there from up top. So I just used all that foil tape and did that on both sides. Let's see if we can see the other side. There you go. So I did the same thing to the other side. So I'll show you what the AC looks like without it, and see if I can get a little better video of one where I can move around. Alright, so I'm in the toy hauler. You got 4 screws. You can see them. Well, there's 6 screws, or 8 screws. I'll get it right eventually. But there's 2 in each side. So you take all of those down, and then you got this style of cover. And then once you look up inside of the AC unit, let me get my flashlight, you can see how, see how they got the wires cut. They did put a little bit of foil tape, but if you cover all of those holes that go into your roof, and there's some on this side, if you cover all of those holes, then you got a lot better airflow. It keeps from sucking the hot air out of your attic and into your camper. So that will make your AC a little more efficient and help out tremendously. Okay, so this is your standard AC cover here. So basically you pop this side off and pop that side off. So I'll show you real quick how I do it. Just take a screwdriver, pop off both sides there, and then you slide it right out, and then do the same thing to the other side. Well, there it goes. Oh, and it falls down. So you got your screen here that needs to be cleaned every so often. And if you look up inside there, I taped this one up where the wires were coming out at. And then I taped that side where the wires were coming out at. And that right there is your vent. And then that's your blower. And that's the vent there. See if I can get it on camera. There you go. There's your hole. And there's a hole on that side. So I still got to tape this side up like I did the center AC unit. But overall, it should work a little more efficiently. But I'm going to tape it up to where it'll go either directly through my vent here, which is this piece. So you got this one. You can get it in there with one hand. So you got that where you can directly dump it, or you can close this, and then that feeds it through the vents, which is that and the ones in the living room. So if you cover that up, any holes in there, or you make the air a direct route, it makes it a little easier for your air to flow through your camper. So, and anything that's taken away, like any of those spots that's sucking hot air from between your roof on the inside and your roof on the outside, which we'll call the attic space, if you block any of that, it's not sucking all that hot air. It's sucking the cool air out of your actual camper. So it's trying to cool air that's already been cooled rather than cool hot air. So that'll make your AC run a little more efficiently. But that's just a little short tip. And didn't want to make this video too long. So please like and subscribe and let me know what you think. Thank you.